What's up, you guys? Thank you for joining me in yet another video. As you can see off the title, I have a brand new camera. This is how it looks in the box. Okay, hold on, I gotta get a cute thumbnail. Let me see. Whatever. One of those pictures gonna work. But anyways, yeah, so this is my brand new camera. This is the Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. Say that 2 times fast. So yeah, we are going to be unboxing this video brand new. What's today? So today is Friday. I got it Thursday. I ordered it Monday. At Best Buy because they actually they didn't have any in stock. So we just put in an order for it and it got shipped to my house and I got it Thursday. Yeah, so it is Wi-Fi certified. It also has Bluetooth capabilities. I can shoot in 4K. Hold on, I need my glasses. I can shoot in 4K. It is the lens is 24 millimeters wide. It zooms up to 40x, so 40 times. And if you don't know, now you know. Glory, Kurt Franklin. This is how it looks in the box, but we're not here to look at the box or you hear me talk. We are here to unbox this actual, dude, this one lot, man. I had my hat on. Like, I went to the gym today and I had on my hat, and then like always be that one person like I don't want to act right. Ugh. All right, sorry, we just don't keep it like that. So yeah, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and when you first open it up, it's like this, and then it's this little thing. And then you have some papers in here. This is for the, I don't know, warranty, which I am going to fill out. And then you have your getting started booklet. You have your registration. I will say this, last night I did take out the charger and the battery because I wanted it to I want to use it like on camera, and then I want to see how it looks like same day. I'm impatient. So this is the battery pack and this is the camera itself. You just pop it into there. This is normally down. You pop this bad boy out and then you just stick it in the wall and it charges. Let me hold my camera back up. It does come with a wrist strap, which we're going to put on today. And the moment of truth, it's so sexy, the thing that we all have been waiting, more so myself, have been waiting on. Here she is. Oh, let's take her out. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my goodness. She is so gorgeous. The screen, it does come up. So let's go ahead and let's get this baby going. So give me a second. All right, so when you have to open it, there's like a little mark right here. It locks, and then you flip this down and it opens up. And then remember, the battery's in here, so we're gonna take the battery out. And it tells you which way. And you wait, hold on now. You pop it in that way. I do have an SD card, so I got this from Walmart. I forgot when, but hold on, let me pop this open real quick. All right, so got my SD card. Pop the SD card in there like that till you hear it clicks. You push this down. Well, it's probably not gonna do it since I have it upright. You kind of hold on. This is the wrong battery. It's not working. I had it the wrong way. Kidding me? Anyway, so now you go to close it and you lock it, and it goes nothing. We are just going to plug it into this thingamajigger. I got this from, where did this start? I got this from Target, and it just screws in the bottom like so. Okay, for real, this is like the real moment. Oh, this is a cute thumbnail too. Oh, I can add this to like my other, like, what if I go like this? Wait, can y'all see? What if I go like, oh, hold on. Lord, turn it on. What's the date? I gotta set the date and time, y'all. Okay, so, all right, I'm sorry. I had to get all this situated. Okay, so, straight out the gate, let me go ahead and, can you see me? Oh, okay, let's do it like this, right? We can add that as a thumbnail too. Okay, so this is how it looks straight out the gate. It is on. You can see, like I mentioned, it flips up. Oh my God. So this is, okay, so this is going to be a little different because with this up, I am used to, well, I mean, I could also look like right there, like in the center, but this, oh, this is beautiful. Let me go ahead and hit record real quick. This is wonderful. This is lovely. I like this. Don't look up there, child. Look down here. This is lovely. So, the settings, let me go ahead and stop my camcorder. Okay, so, the settings are at normal. So this is like at about like an arm's like length reach. My settings are at normal. I did not change anything, so stop looking up there. Oh my gosh, I'm just like, I love the way, like, the quality of this. So the settings are normal. I did not change anything, I did not adjust anything. It is on auto. I'm assuming it's shooting in like 1080 because I think if it would be like in 4K, it would have stayed at 4K. I am going to, okay, so now I'm gonna shut off my ring light and see. So this is how I look with the ring light off. It really isn't much of a difference, even like with the light off. So let's go outside. Oh, it's bright outside. I'm just gonna sit on the porch. So I am outside. So there is not like a mic, a place for my mic. There's only like it has an external mic, which is like up here at the top, but it doesn't have like a mic jack, which I really don't use a mic jack like that anyways. I typically use, it's probably gonna pick up all this sound. I typically just use like the voice like normal, but again, I'm not really like outside for real. Whenever like we record, like it's been a minute since I recorded outside. Even when I did that, like I was on the phone. But I'm gonna turn around so I can see. So this is how it looks. I don't want to get anybody's like car, like license plates or anything like that, but this is my grass. Husband probably needs to cut it again. I'm back inside. I left it on like the auto, like it's like on its original settings. Let me see. Yeah, I left it alone. I didn't go through the settings. I didn't turn on like my Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, none of that. I didn't do any of that stuff. And so you saw how I was outside, you heard how I was outside, and then now you can see I'm back inside. I think that when it comes down to like the lighting, and like the lighting like being like adjusted and stuff like that, it wasn't that bad. I don't think it was bad going, it's like with anything you're doing, any phone, any camera, tablet, whatever, it has to adjust to the lighting around you. There are a lot of things that I am going to actually like sit down and I'm going to play with this and like look more into it. But yeah, so this is my new camera. So let me give y'all like a 2, maybe like 3-minute reason why we got a new camera. Long story short, it was time for a new camera. So originally when I first started doing YouTube, we were using, Ben had an old phone, an old like a ZTE phone, and I was using that to record, and I was using KineMaster as my my like editing software. And then I just started using my iPhone, and which is okay. Like I will go back and forth between the two. Occasionally we use iMovie. Well, yeah, now I was using iMovie, and then eventually I ended up buying an actual like a video camera, which is, let me get it, this situation right here. This is my wide angle lens. I just recently bought But we ended up buying this. Got that in a bundle. It was, I think, like a little over, it was like close to like $300. I think it was like $289. Got that from Amazon. It came with like a whole a whole bundle kit situation, which was cool, you know. So use that, and then like I would occasionally use my iPhone still. So between my iPhone and that, but one of the main reasons, of course, for YouTube, but one of the main reasons, so this is like the very first actual like camera that we purchased. It is this Nikon tomato, and like this is like the back of it. So it only costs us what, maybe like, I think it was like $89. We got this back in 2000 and when was it, 2016. We went to New Orleans for our belated honeymoon trip. So, you know, we just needed something else extra to take for like pictures and videos, like, you know, if we want to use up all the space on our phone. And plus we just we just wanted one anyways for like family purposes. Same thing with the camcorder, right? I grew up doing home videos. That's just what we grew up doing. And so yeah, we have our phones, but you know, there's something about recording on like that camcorder and stuff like that. And so yeah, this more so was for pictures. It's not the greatest quality for camera, because for recording, choosing 720, so that's why this wasn't the greatest for a recorder. But yeah, it was just time for an upgrade anyways, you know what I mean? Clearly you can see the difference between this and my camcorder, but I'm still going to use my camcorder. And yeah, so you know, I'm still gonna use my camcorder, take this out with me. I don't really do a lot of vlogs like out and about anymore like how we used to. I do a lot more like hair stuff, and maybe one day I will do like regular vlogs again, you know, do like a little bit of both. Oh, and plus we're going to Tennessee. Y'all do not need to know all this. Well, y'all ain't even ask me all this, but y'all know I'm gonna tell y'all anyway. Y'all know I'm a talker. We're going to Tennessee and we're taking a family vacation. So we're going to Tennessee in August, and I knew that I would want a better camera for that, and then too for my business. Oh my God, my business, Lord Jesus, for the business. I wanted a better camera to like just like to take pictures. So between this and a DSLR, all right. So the reason why I ended up getting this, of course, the screen comes up. I know there are some DSLRs where the screen comes out to the side, but those are, the body is a little bulkier. Those can cost like a little bit more than these cameras. I mean, which is okay, you know what I'm saying? But what really I think why they cost more in general is because the lenses. So like with DSLRs, you have to buy well, most of them you have to buy lenses for them, right? The lenses can cost like $100+. So now you're looking at just a body and a lens for, you're looking at almost like what, $600-700. It depends on which one you get. But if you want the best one, or even if it's just like an entry level, I know Best Buy had an entry level for like almost like $300 or something like that. But it was Canon. But yeah, so yeah, so got this camera from Walmart. Child, I didn't get this from the Walmart. I got this from Best Buy. I think I said that earlier. I got it from Best Buy. It was $360 or $380 something, but I think it was like $380 something. But of course, tax, it went up to $428, which I was okay with, because again, I already had like a kid at home. And then I just bought the holder thing from Target for, it's $35 in the store, but it's $25 online. Of course, you know, Target price matches. And it also came like with this phone holder for my phone. So I rambled on past my 2-minute mark. Of course, this is probably gonna be like another 10-minute video per usual. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Look at my locks. Yes, I am 2 months locked. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, and let me know what you think about the quality of this camera. I'm in love with it, honestly. And this is just like natural lighting. Like my lights, my regular light is off, my ring light is off. I just have like the shades like popped open, and we get the best lighting this time of day because the sun is like on this side of the house. Yeah, I ain't asked about that either, but yeah, that's all. So I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Now how you stop this?
my channel.